Welcome to Vegan Method. This is my fake and ale pie. Ingredients for the pie are 115 grams of mushrooms, we've got some puff pastry, 90 grams of peas, 70 grams of carrots, a clove of garlic, and then we've also got 100 grams of onions, some gravy granules, and we've got 500 millilitres of ale. I have a pan that's preheated and I've put in some vegetable butter, and then I'm going to add the onions until they soften. After about 5 minutes we're going to add the garlic and soften that as well. After a couple more minutes we're going to add the frozen peas and the raw carrots and give them a good stir. After 2 to 3 minutes we're now going to put in the mushrooms. In with a little bit of salt, and we're also going to add a little sprinkling of pepper. So now everything is nice and soft and cooking through, we're going to add the ale and we'll turn the heat up until we get to a boiling temperature. So once we're at boiling we're going to add the gravy granules, and this will thicken everything up, and then we're going to turn it back down to a simmer. As you can see, after a few minutes of simmering, the gravy has got considerably thicker and the mushrooms have taken in a lot of the flavour. A couple of minutes later and the gravy is nice and thick, so I can add it to a casserole dish, and then we're going to add the puff pastry on top, and then it's almost finished, ready to go into the oven. If the puff pastry is a little bit too small for the casserole dish, you can use some cut-offs to fill in the space. It will expand in the oven and fill that gap. After around 10 minutes in the oven, the pastry is cooked and we have a nice tasty fake and ale pie. Thanks very much for watching. Please let me know if you make the fake and ale pie. You can catch me on Instagram or leave comments below. Also please like and subscribe. Once again, thank you very much from the Vegan Method.